In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Acuity scheduling into WordPress in just about 5 minutes. This skill is incredibly useful for anyone looking to integrate a seamless scheduling system into their WordPress site, whether you're running a small business, managing events, or offering appointment-based services. Let's kick things off by visiting the Acuity scheduling website. Acuity scheduling is a robust tool designed to take the hassle out of managing appointments and calendars. Arriving at the site, your first step is simply to click on the Login button. This is your gateway to accessing your Acuity scheduling dashboard, where all the magic happens. Upon clicking Login, you'll be prompted to type in your email address. Make sure to enter the email address associated with your Acuity account to ensure a smooth login process. After entering your email, you'll click on the Next button to proceed. At this stage, you have the option to continue with Google. This is particularly convenient if your Acuity account is linked to your Google account, providing a one-click path to access. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Following this, you'll select your Google account. This is where you choose the Google account you want to use for logging into Acuity. Make sure you select the correct Google account that is connected to your Acuity scheduler. Once logged in, you'll navigate to your scheduling page. If you're not immediately sure where to find this, look for a section on your Acuity dashboard that takes you to your scheduling configurations or settings. Usually this involves looking for links or buttons with labels related to scheduling, appointments or calendars. After arriving at your scheduling page, you will click on the link that takes you deeper into your scheduling options. This area allows you to manage and customize how your scheduling page will appear to your clients. Grabbing the integration link or code is the goal here. Our next move is a crucial one. You need to click on Embed Other. This option is crafted for scenarios where you want to embed your Acuity scheduler into other platforms like WordPress. It essentially gives you the code that will weave your Acuity scheduling page into the fabric of your WordPress site seamlessly. After selecting Embed Other, your next action is to click on the copy link or button that appears. This is where you'll obtain the embeddable code snippet that's going to bridge Acuity and your WordPress site. This code is what makes the integration possible, so make sure you've copied it precisely. Here's an essential tip. Once you have your code copied, it's time to head over to your WordPress site. Now, diving into your WordPress editor, select the page or post where you want your Acuity scheduler to live. This might be a contact page, a dedicated booking page, or any place you deem fit for your visitors to schedule appointments. In the HTML or text editor mode of your page, paste the copied code where you want the scheduler to appear. It's like planting a seed that will grow into a fully functional scheduling system right on your WordPress site. And here's a little nugget of wisdom. Always preview your page before making it live. This allows you to ensure that the Acuity scheduler looks and functions exactly how you want it to on your WordPress site. If everything checks out, congratulations. You've successfully embedded Acuity scheduling into WordPress. In wrapping up, embedding Acuity scheduling into WordPress might seem like a technical journey at first glance. However, by breaking it down step by step as we've done today, you can see it's quite manageable. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress veteran or new to the platform, integrating Acuity scheduling is a surefire way to enhance your site's functionality and user experience, offering a seamless bridge for your clients to reach you. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide empowers you to integrate your scheduling system effortlessly into your WordPress site. Here's to making appointment booking as smooth and painless as possible for you and your clientele. Keep exploring and keep innovating.